Hello everyone, welcome to Nelson School online education program Learn.
Advertisement. Now, whenever you listen to this name, advertisement, obviously different kind of advertisements flash keep coming on your mind because we watch them every day on the television, we look in the newspaper. So let's exactly see, understand what is advertisement. Okay, advertising. Now these days it's a very well market for this. Everybody pursues this as a degree, right? They learn. So this is the base, this is the stage where we will also learn how to write the advertisements, right? Because it helps us to market a product. What is an advertisement? It helps us to market the product, and then product can be anything, anything which we want people to know about. When we want to spread the message about or give the information about a particular product, any you know idea, new idea, and we want everybody, the large mass public, to know about it, right? Then we do advertisement. So it is a form of communication intended to persuade an audience, okay, viewers, readers, and that audience can be any kind of, like we see a lot of advertisements in newspapers also. So we have our readers, right? And then we see when we hear a lot of advertisements on the radios also. These days, Radio Michi, Radio Jockey, we hear advertisements more than the songs, right? So we have our listeners also. Why do we do this? Because we want them to, we want whom? We want the public, the larger public, everybody to buy that particular product, ideas or services. So that is advertisement for you students. Isn't it exciting? Are you all excited to listen more, uh, learn about this thing? So there are two types of advertisements. One is classified and the other is commercial. Now you must have, I've already mentioned in the beginning only that advertisements, where do we see advertisements? Obviously on the TV, on the radios, we hear, we listen to the advertisements on the radios, okay, and we read about it in the newspaper. So, but do we know the difference actually, what it is? So there are two types. One is classified. Let's first look at what is classified. Classified ads are used by the general masses to promote or use services. The only concern in the classified ad is to get things noticed with as minimum words as possible. Okay, and let's see what it is. Classified ads are often between the range of 50 words. They clearly state the category, like for sale, to let, etc. We put it in a particular box and we give the necessary information like contact address, mobile number, etc. Now what do you mean by classified ads, students? You must have heard this name. See, these are the different ways to advertise your product. You can see there's an online networking. Okay, we see a lot of advertisements on the online networking. But before that, have you ever heard this word classified? Okay, let's look into classifieds. You must have heard your cousins, your siblings, your elder siblings, your parents or your relatives, anybody around. Obviously, you have heard this name classified, right? Where do we hear about it? In newspapers, as I said before, right? So what all this, you must have gone through this. Can you have a look at this small advertisements written on the left side? Okay, we see that every day in our newspaper. Your father going through it, your when we have our elder sisters, elder brother, when they are on their job hunt, what they do, in the morning they go through, they browse through the paper, they go to this classified ad paper, that particular page number, to see if anybody has post any job requirement, if there is any vacancy details. Okay, for example, you are looking for some place for your business, for your, if you want to rent some place, then you must have seen your uncle or your father in this classified, if anybody wants to give away their place for rent. Okay, so we see all this kind of advertisements where students under the category of classified, and that is in the newspapers, right? See here, you must have seen this Times of India, Gujarat Samachar, everywhere. All the papers do that. Okay, what else? So, as I said, there are different ways, like on the internet, on the radio, and on the in the newspaper. We see that. Let's look at one example of it. This is a classified ad about the situation which is vacant. Okay, so let's look at it. What it is written: Nelson's English School is looking for a receptionist for the school. Write an advertisement on behalf of the administrative officer in the classified columns of the local newspaper giving. Now we as students also needs to learn how to write this classified ads. As explained you in the earlier slide, that when we talk about classified students, particularly, they are not too lengthy. They are very short, very precise, because if you increase your words, the newspaper editor might charge you a lot. There is a particular charge for each words, okay, and they have particular space in their newspaper or in their section in the radios, okay. They cannot give that more than that, okay. And that's why we need to be precise, very precise, when we are writing the classified ads in newspaper or giving it in the radio or on the internet or anywhere, right? We need to be specific what we want to market about. What is our product? For example, there is a vacant situation where if there is a product, if there is a advertisement for renting out your house or your garage or your godown, etc. So you are very clear, okay. You want to give for this much days, these are the requirements, etc. So let's look at it. So necessary details to draft the advertisement, as I said, should not be more than 50 words. So let's look at this. Heading should be situation vacant. So a reader is clear that what the ad is all about. Nelson's English School, Ahmedabad, is looking for a lady receptionist for the school. Now can you see, students, an organization name comes in the beginning, that who is looking for that. This ad is given by whom, okay. And what is the specification? They are looking for a lady receptionist, not only receptionist but lady. They want a female candidate, which is also very clear. Only convent educated, smart, young ladies with pleasing and presentable personalities will be considered. Now what kind of a candidate they are looking for? Very specific. They want smart and young people with the pleasing personality. The one who can charm others, attract others, okay. One with having a good communication skills, and computer literacy can be added qualifications. A good communication skill obviously is required for a receptionist, because they have to handle the calls, okay, on an everyday basis. They have to address the queries, like whosoever comes at their desk, they have to meet them. So it is very clearly, precisely written that communication skills is important, and if you have a computer skills, it will be an added advantage. Handsome salary considered, okay. So now here the salary is not mentioned, but they say that if you apply for this job, you will get good salary as per your skills. Apply in confidence with the complete biodata within a week to the administrative officer. Now if you are interested, if you are a candidate and you are looking for a job, so if you are interested with what the advertisement is all about, what we have to do, we have to give our biodata, that is a complete curriculum vitae, or having all the details about that, you know already, we have done it in previously, okay. What is biodata? So that you have to give within week. See how detailing it is. When do they want? Within a week they want the resumes. And where do they want? So venue, place, date, time, etc. Everything is mentioned, and every detail one person can think of is given only in one paragraph. So your this should not be, advertisement with the classified should not be more than 50 words, okay. So this is the situation vacant. What else, students? For example, somebody is looking for new talent. So we'll look at another advertisement, what kind of an example it is. On behalf of a young film director, draft an advertisement to attract boys and to girls to act in a new film named Raja. The producers are AK Pictures Private Limited, Mumbai. Now here we can see the advertisement about one of the film producer who's looking for young new talent, new actor and actresses for his new film called Raja, which is mentioned in the above. So we know what's the production house, who's going to do it, right? What's the name of the movie, and then that is the headline. And then they I have written the drafted an application. What it is, AK Picture invites new talents, both boys and girls. Now they're looking for both, so it is written both boys and girls to act in the upcoming film Raja. Apply with a copy of your full-size photograph latest by March 31. The selected candidates will have lucrative assignments and roles. AK Pictures Private Limited, Bandra Road, Mumbai. Now we know who are the producers, where do they belong, Mumbai, Bandra, right? And they need full-size photographs. They've written the deadline as well. So it should be very specific, students. Obviously, we are talking about the actor and actresses, so they will require how do we look. Okay, we will only the resume won't be suffice. Okay, so photographs are required, so they have very well drafted what are their requirements in one line very precisely, you can see. And then further details are communicated when you contact them, when you provide your details to them, they contact you back. But this is the first hand advertisement. Next is, you are a manager of ABC Limited, Sector 30, Gurgaon. You need an efficient data entry operator at your office. For your office, write an advertisement for the situation vacant column of a local Delhi. Now, as I said, again, this is another example of if the situation is vacant. That was for the receptionist. This is for the data entry operator, the one who can do. So it's very clear that you need data entry. Means it's a very task which is very requires speed, computer. You need to know computer. So they have very specifically mentioned about what kind of a person they want. Young candidate, like who's efficient, hardworking. So let's read it. Situation vacant. As I said, the heading would be that. Then you can below write, wanted an efficient, smart and hardworking data entry operator for a leading manufacturing company in Gurgaon. Where do they want? For which company? And what is the position? Everything is mentioned in one line. Okay, what kind of a personality? Then they go for the qualification. So they want a graduate, obviously. So they have a graduate has a particular knowledge, at least educated, then a little task he or she can handle by herself. Then age should be 20 to 35 years. So it's efficient, smart and young, right? Typing speed, as I said, student, it's a data entry operator situation vacant, right? So obviously typing speed is the one of the important factors. So 50 words per minute. WPM means word per minute. Okay. Preference to those who have 1 to 2 years of experience. If we need somebody who is experienced, we do not want a fresher. So we write that this way, 1 or 2, and preferable. Like if it's not compulsory, but if it is preferable, you want it. Salary, now some mention, some don't. Here this person has mentioned that salary will be annually, that is yearly. Okay, 2,60,000 rupees given. Okay, with complete biodata and update resume within 15 days to ABC Limited, and the address is also given. A very precise, a very short. This is the idea which we are giving, that this kind of advertisements are posted on the websites, in the newspapers, right? Okay. Now we see now we will talk about, students. Now this was classifieds that we were talking about, right? Now we see a lot of products coming in, like Patanjali overnight got very famous with all those products. Now imagine he were just making the products, Patanjali. Now generally the public normal thinking is that Ayurvedic or homeopathic or this kind of products don't do much, right? We are more towards the foreign products and that way. So Patanjali when came into the market, imagine they were making so many good products, but what if they wouldn't have marketed it? People would not know what is Patanjali, what is the brand name, who is doing it, right? And what are the benefits of those products. So we market, we advertise, and we do it sometimes with the support of the celebrities like cricketers, actors, politicians, right? A famous personality, because people connect with those celebrities. For example, if I like Amitabh Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan is doing, um, that is a general tendency that people, those whom people admire, they like to follow what um whom they like, you know. So Patanjali products are, branded by this himself, Baba Ramdev, right? And you can see various cricketers and various actors advertising for different products. Okay, so that is called celebrity branding. Then we have ads through magazines also, like various phones are coming in market every day. There is a new development in phones, in cars, etc. In cosmetics, there are so many good brands, cosmetic brands, and good, even one brand comes up with different kind of products. Like for example, in lipstick also, if you see, there are various different lipsticks you will find from the only one company. So what do? What if they just keep making these products, and we are not aware who will buy? So what do? Whenever they come up with a new product, they advertise it in the magazines, and we can see these products. Okay, we see with their photograph, with a catchy, attractive title, good photograph, and uh, the main crux of that particular product is highlighted by a tagline, right? A punchline, a good, by using good jargons, so people get attracted. So we see a lot of advertisements in the magazines as well. Then product placement advertisement. Okay, so as I said, for example, in the movie also, we see that an actor is drinking Bonvita or Horlicks or any kind of product with a milk. So then we see, for example, in this picture you can see that Anushka is holding a camera. So we want to know which camera is this. It looks little different, it looks little new. Let me see. Then we go and surf on the net. Okay, this was the camera which was launched by Canon company. It's a new one, it's not the old one. Then we look for the product, more details, and if it is in our budget, and if it suits our requirement, then we go and buy that product, right? So a lot of branding, a lot of advertisement we see in the movies also. Okay, um, great. Then we have public service advertisement. Now this is very important, students. Lot of times what we do is, like, there are a lot of social messages, right, which we want people to know, which we want, in one go we want everybody in the world or everybody in the country know about that particular thing. For example, when India was suffering from this polio thing, TB thing, we saw Amitabh Bachchan coming and talking about this polio drops and TB, and that's how the local people, from like bottom to top, everybody comes to know that what kind of a disease this is, and how important it is to treat, at the young age. When your kids are young, that time only this polio drops are required. What if we do not do this kind of advertisement, right? The message will go away, this kind of change that we see won't come. Like Suraksha Abhiyan, or this Safai Abhiyan, we saw a lot of advertisements on the, so this are for the social welfare, for the people. We advertise this kind of messages. There are a lot of warning message, early warning messages also you will see in the form of jingles on the radios. These are all advertisements. So we reach out to the larger public, we reach out to each and every person existing, and we make sure that this message about something important, they come to know about it. Okay, so yeah, because we want to bring a change in everybody's life, and overall, if the country will also grow. So we do a lot of public service advertisement also. Okay, then the television ads, of course, we know, since like when we were kids, we still today, like the children who were born in 80s or 90s, now today they still go back and look for those advertisements which they, when they were kids, they were enjoying, you know. So they, this kind of advertisements leave a mark on your, you know, it leaves the memories. And that products, like for example Nirma washing powder, Nirma, now, you know, this kind of funny and catchy songs, it leaves an impression in your mind. So we go back to YouTube, we go back to old days Facebook videos, and we find all those ads, and still you will see these products in many people's house, because they have that kind of trust in that product they build, you know. So this kind of advertisements attract people in a larger group. Okay, so um, yeah, it's a simple, for example, chocolate, if you will eat, obviously it's not going to, you're not going to get lost, like if you are having a 5 star or a dairy milk on a road, you are having it and you're not going to get lost, or right, we none of us do that. But yeah, still we connect with those advertisements, right, and we do go and buy those products. So advertisements are having that power to change people, to you know, attract you to buy the products. So um, yes, it is on us also, and the people who are advertising the products, that they spread the right messages, right products through advertisements. So yeah, that is advertisements for you. We learned about classifieds also. We learned about, you just need to remember that classified ads, students, are not too long. It's very specific, not more than 50 words, that you all need to remember. It can be of anything, like situation vacant, if you want to you know, apply for it, or there is a to let kind of an advertisement. To let means to rent anything. As I said, I do not want to repeat all those points again, but this is how the advertisements play an important role in our life. Okay, it's everywhere, it's mass communication. So yes, we should also as students know how to write the advertisements for various products. Okay, be it in radio, television, or um, the newspapers. We should know how to frame it, because we have wonderful, beautiful careers lying ahead. Okay, and you can make a very wonderful career if you know how to write a proper advertisements. Okay, students. So hope you enjoyed this learning about this topic. We will practice together. Until then, have a very good day.